Alright, what is up, my awesome and amazing little brothers? How are you guys doing today? You guys good? Hope you guys are. So, today, we are gonna make, some ramen noodles without a microwave. Yes, y'all heard me, without a microwave. Some of y'all like it cold, so. And it's not as quick as when you, heat it up. But it's good this way. Now what we're gonna do this ramen with, there's only 2 ingredients to this one, to how I do it. Just the ramen, that's one, and the other one, water. So let's begin, shall we? Alright, so first off, we're gonna take one of these. We're gonna take this off. Yeah, and then we're gonna open this one. Hold up. Man, I don't have a stand. Oh well. Just like that. We're gonna open this up. It's gonna be really simple how I'm gonna do it. Whoops. Man, bad camera angle, jeez. I need a cameraman, bros. It's alright though, it's alright. We're gonna do this nice and quick. Alright. Now we're gonna open this up. Gonna open it from here. We're not gonna open it too much. We're gonna keep that open. Just gonna keep it open a little bit. So here we have the water. So as y'all already know, just put it in there, you know. Y'all seeing? I just want to make sure I don't put in too much. Yeah, you know what? Just add a little more. Yeah, just like that. We're gonna do the same thing with the other one. I may run out over here. Yep, just ran out by a little bit. It's okay though, because I got an extra water. So that's gonna pretty much fill it up. So, man, why is it so hard to open? Dang it. Alright. Here we go. There we go. Just like that. And we're gonna let them sit for I don't even know how much time, but we're gonna let them sit. So as well, I'm gonna put this on top. So I don't know, it's just so it goes faster. So I'm gonna put these on top. Hold up. So this way, yeah, y'all can see that it's more covered. It's not completely covered, but it works. Or at least with one of them. But yeah, let me adjust this. Yeah, there we go. Oh well. But yeah, we're just gonna let them sit there for some time, and then we're gonna check up on it and see how we do. So let me see what time it is. Hold up. It is 8:56. So we're gonna see how many minutes it takes for it to cook up. We're gonna say 8:55 to be simple, so I can calculate the minutes better. So I'll see you then. I'll see you when it's cooked. Yeah. Alright, my awesome and amazing little brothers. So here's the outcome of them. So look at that. See, it's all soft now. You guys see? Just like that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look. Let's turn the camera now over here. Alright, brothers, so here's the ramen right here, the chicken ramen. I just took off the caps so it doesn't get disturbing and all. So that's the cap to it. There's both of them. Not that I show you the other one. It's too much detail, so yeah. I'm gonna dig it. Yummy. So good. So usually when I eat this, I just go like that. There you have it. Awesome and amazing little brothers. I had to wait like 25 minutes for it to like make it all. But anyway, brothers, thank you guys so much for watching this awesome and amazing video. Hope you all have an amazing day or night, whatever time it is for you guys. Stay safe, and always remember, forgive yourself and never give up. Thank you. You guys are amazing, all of you. Bye. Bye, brothers. Love you guys so much.